Welcome back to the channel. Well, today another shed talk video. So today it's been taking the wheels off Barry because it's new tyre day. That's right, I've only got 4 weeks until I start my trip to the Cape, so it is time to replace the tyres. So you can see the old Motoz Adventure there, got about 14,000 k's out of them, so I'm pretty happy with that, and have the new ones ready to go. So the front changing from a different style of tyre, more of a off-road. So the back one is the Motoz Adventure, and the front one I'm going to use the Motoz Dual Venture again. So I'll take these out to my tyre fitter, get some footage of my tyre fitter putting them on. He's a good mate, he does it. I just buy him beer every now and then, and they'll be right to go. Welcome back to the channel. Well, Wednesday, it's raining, so what better time to do another shed talk and just give you an update on what's going on in the shithouse ADV world. Well, yesterday I got the new tyres on Barry, so I think I got my money's worth out of the rear, so the Tractionator Adventure rear. Probably had another 1,000 k's on the bitumen, but time to change it over. So very happy with this one. Got about 14,000 k's out of it. So very happy. I'll stick with that one. Look, this one was on the front when I got it, the Shinko E705. Look, on the road, pretty good on a dirt. Yeah, it was passable. But again, I went with the Motoz Dual Venture on the front. So what I'll do, I'll put up some video footage of my mate Mick changing the tyres over for me yesterday. Thanks, Mick. Always appreciated. He's been doing that for probably about 3 years now, so much appreciated. What else? I've got a list of stuff. So it's only about 4 weeks away until we leave for the Cape York trip. So there's still a little bit to do with the Cape York trip. So going to give Barry oil and filter change just before I go. I'll check the air filter and see how that's going as well. Also, got to get it in to get the rear brake looked at. The rear brake's a little bit soft on the pedal, so I'll get them to look at that. Might just need a bleed or something. So I'll get them to look at that. Also got to reactivate my Garmin subscription for my Garmin InReach Mini, so I'll be taking that with me. So on the longer trips, always take that with me. Scotty, the guy coming with me on the trip, came over the other week, and we went through all the GPX files that I've done up on the Stegra.io app. And we've sort of finalised that route. It's about 6,400 k's all up. So I've downloaded all those GPX files to the computer. All I need to do then is upload them to my Garmin XT2 on Barry. Then each day I can just go day one, boom, hit that button and follow that line. So that's what's happening with that. What else? Looks like the Gibb River trip might be on again for this year, so probably about August. I'll head up to back up the top of Queensland, across into Northern Territory, Katherine, across Gibb River, Broome, down through Tanami, Uluru, Adelaide-ish, Broken Hill, then up the Murray. I think it's the Murray. Back up to Queensland that way. So that's about 10,000 k's. Probably about 6 weeks, I reckon I'll give myself for that one. Yeah, I'll start the planning for that one in earnest once I get back from the Cape trip. Also last weekend, just come back from the Dorrigo trip with a heap of lads. Come back with another video I promise I'll stop doing the videos of the waterfalls. Yep, okay. Waterfalls are good while the water's flowing. But the next trip I'm planning to do, probably a 2-nighter out west somewhere. So there will be a video coming on that one. And I think what I'll do is normally I plan on the Stegra app where I'll just go, yes, I'll go this way. But one of the features of the Stegra app is that you can just go start point, finish point, and use the adventure tool, and it will route that way for you in the most adventurous route. So I think I'm just going to leave it up to the app to go, I want to start here at home and end up here, and then let it do its thing, and then go, yep, done. I'll download that GPX file, and it'll be done. Apart from that, that's it. Like I said, a wet old day today, so I thought I'd jump into the shed and just give you a bit of an update on what's going on. Next year, I've got another longer trip planned, very, very in its infancy at the moment. I'll show you on the map where I'm talking about. So we go over to my map, and like I said, that one, thinking about, starting in Brisbane, heading out west, going across to Alice through the Plenty Highway, down through the Great Central Road. Keep up, cameraman. Across to Perth, down the bottom, and then back by the Great Australian Bight. Again, down the bottom here, Mildura, and then probably make my way sort of up here again. That's just a rough one for next year, so I just got to wait out on that one. So the map's getting full, so probably maybe next one be somewhere through here, around this area, around there somewhere, not sure. But all right, so there's the new front tyre. That's the Motos Dual Venture. So I've had one of them before, run it before. Can't honestly remember how it went. It must have went all right, but I wanted to try the Adventure. And I don't know if you can see it on the back. Might be a bit dark. No, can't see it on the back. Too dark. So put you back on my high-tech stand. All right, so that's it for the update. All right, thanks for all those people that have been liking and commenting on the videos. It's much appreciated. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. And I will catch you in the next one. All right, cheers. See ya.